All right, so if you need to fill out some document on Google Docs, and you want to be able to add a signature, maybe do some checkboxes on something that's just a Google Doc, here's some of the tricks. So let's get this turned back in. So if it starts out, everything's just little checkboxes. You can simply insert emojis. So I want the district to pay for this option. I'm going to go to Insert, Emoji. I can just search for checkbox. There's one right there. That one's good. And it fits it right in that spot. Fill out whatever else you need. And then to add a signature, you go to Insert Drawing, go to New, pulls up an own separate window. And with these different little things here, you can do word art, but I want to just add a signature. I'm going to go to the line tool, and I'm going to hit the arrow, go to Scribble. And then from here, just going to sign however you do. And you can do that as many times as you want to get it right. Save as close, and it pulls it up right there. Now it's huge, so how do we fix that? I'm going to go to my options here. I want to wrap the text behind it. Now it's on top, and I simply click and drag, move it into place. Now since I had those lines highlighted, it took them out. I'm just going to add them back in. And there we go. And my document is ready to send on without having to save it, download it, print it, sign it, scan it. I just filled out a Google Doc, I signed it, and I can now share it with the next group. How awesome is that? Hope that helps.